Welcome to my first time cruiser vlog series. Let's get into it. So my cruise ship left out of New Orleans. So I came in a day early and Jazz Fest was going on. So we spent that whole day at Jazz Fest eating good, watching good concerts, got to see some gospel, Anderson .Paak, and Juvenile all in one day. You can't beat that. My first time at Jazz Fest, and I had a wonderful time. And now we're gonna get ready and rest up for boarding day tomorrow. See you in my next one. And of course, there's a second line. Come with me as a first-time cruiser boarding Carnival Valor. So I don't have any actual footage of embarkation, but I can tell you that it was very quick and efficient, and partially it was because a suite was booked, so we got priority status on boarding. And as you can see, this suite is very roomy, very spacious, lots of storage. Absolutely loved it. Unfortunately, it rained on our sail day, so we didn't get to do a sail party. Boo, but it's okay. We rested, and then we got ready for dinner. We got to catch the little dance show that they do for you during dinner. It was cute. And here's my dinner, as you can see, and that's the rest of it because we fell asleep thinking that we were going to get up and party. Catch me in my next one for a day at sea. Come with me as a first-time cruiser at my first day at sea. So we started the day really good, got some breakfast at the buffet, and then we headed out to the Lido deck. Here's my fit. It was a really good day. Lots of people out there turning up. And baby, we ordered this spiked lemonade, pitcher of spiked lemonade. And when I tell you it was spiked, it was spiked. Okay, it was 10% lemonade, 90% spiked, okay? Had me out there doing the electric slide, child. So later on in the day, we went to dinner and it was formal night. Here's a quick snap of the food. And let me tell you, this cruise food was good. I don't know about y'all, but the food is good. After that, quick outfit change, and then we headed down to the VIP show. After that, we went to the comedy show, it was okay that night. It was okay. And then we ended the night at the club. And if you know, they get turned up out there. See? Catch me my next one at Cozumel. Come with me as a first-time cruiser in Cozumel. So originally, we were supposed to do an all-day excursion at the Mayan ruins, so we got up pretty early. And the first thing we see is the Royal Caribbean. Child, anyways. So we get into Cozumel to get to our tour guide, just to meet up with him, and he tell us that the tour is too long and we can't do it. Okay, so we have to scurry back to the ship, hurry up, change, and figure out plans. So we end up going to Mr. Sancho's. Mr. Sancho's is a beach resort with all you can eat and all you can drink. And baby, I was doing just that. You hear me? We had a really good time. We chilled in the swim-up bar, chilled, drank, and just had a good day in the sun. It was fun. After all that, we headed back to the ship and we waited for the port runners. Catch me in my next one for the chef's table. Come with me as a first-time cruiser to the chef's table. And baby, it was an experience. So the chef's table is a fine dining experience with the head chef on the ship. He prepares various courses that are exclusive to this event alone, along with champagne, wine. It's a very demure, very classy experience. I loved it, even though it was 3 hours long. But that's okay. But I'm going to tell you right now, nothing prepared me for the entertainment that I was going to have. And I don't mean the magician. I mean this man right here. He was cutting up the whole entire night, y'all. Uncle was lit. Like, look, listen, just take a listen.
If I touch you right there.
Hell no.
Just crazy, y'all. Just turning up. I was laughing the whole time. Couldn't even get a happy birthday good.
Happy birthday.
Wasn't it Jonathan Majors? Catch me in my next one in Progreso, y'all. Come with me as a first-time cruiser in Progreso. So our excursion today was the C note, and since it was just us two, our tour guide turned into a city tour guide. So she showed us around the city of Progreso, gave us a little tour before we got to the C note, and then in order to get to the C note, we had to travel by boat. There were 3 C notes in total, and there were 3 natural freshwater springs. They were very beautiful, very clear, and they were like so refreshingly cool. So cool. And there was some little I don't know what those things were. I don't know what they was called, but they were running around. And we told our tour guide we wanted some authentic Coke from Mexico and authentic tacos, and she did just that. Those tacos al pastor, so good. Catch me in my next one for an evening at the sea. Come with me as a first-time cruiser for an evening at sea. So after Progreso, we chilled at the Lido deck, got a little drink, and then we went to dinner. Got to catch another dinner show, had a better angle, and baby, they was cutting up. And then after that, they sung me happy birthday, and I was like, oh, thank you, with my Baked Alaska, girl. Quick outfit change, and then we went to the comedy club. This night was a lot better, even though, y'all, the boat was rocking that night. I got a little scared, I ain't gonna lie. But nerves calm, and I ended at the club. It was cool, real chill. Catch me my last one for a last day at sea. Come with me as a first-time cruiser on my last day at sea. And I started it with this beautiful sunrise, don't you see? And then afterwards, we went to brunch in the main dining hall, and it was pretty good. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I felt just like this man again.
Oh no, somebody help him up.
Over
Somebody
it,
help him
ready
up.
to get off this boat, ready to get back home to my babies and my family. I thoroughly enjoyed my last dinner in the main dining hall, and then finally opened this bottle of champagne that was sitting in the room the whole time. I gallivanted around the boat one last time, and then I ended it at the comedy showcase. And that's it, guys. Here's my cruise. Thank you for sticking around and watching. Hope to see y'all on my next one.